In this video, I'll show you how to turn any RSS feed into a news ticker you can add to any website for free. We'll use Wix as an example, but this works with all website platforms. I'm using the Lifehacker RSS feed as an example. Have your own RSS feed ready. The link to the site for generating the news ticker is in the description. You need to create a new feed. Click Save to My Feed, then open Widgets. This site offers various widgets. I'll show you each one. Note, customization isn't available on the free plan, but I'll demo some presets to showcase the possibilities. If you're not interested, skip to the news ticker chapter. I'll return to the news ticker shortly to show you how to add it to any website. Let me show you what you get with the free plan. You can use one widget, and it refreshes once a day. Before I show you how to add the news ticker to any site, let me first show you how to change the title that appears at the start of the ticker. As you can see, it says Lifehacker. To change it, I need to update the name of the feed. Change it to your desired title and click Save. Keep the titles short, as longer ones might not display fully. Now let's add it to a site. Click on Add to Website. You'll receive some code that you need to paste into your site. The iframe and Wix options are identical. There are 3 options I found, and I'll showcase all of them. The last one worked best for me. First option is the responsive option. On Wix, click Add Element, then find Embed HTML. Paste the code and click Update. Afterward, position the element however you like. The reason I don't like this option is that it adds a vertical scroll bar. I've tried removing it, but couldn't get it to go away. Maybe you can remove it if you're comfortable with coding. Now for option 2, copy the code without the responsive option enabled. With this option, I had a horizontal scroll bar, but I was able to remove it by manually adjusting the width of the element. The width was set to 1200, so I gradually lowered it to see if the scroll bar would disappear. It worked in the end, but it took too much effort. That's why I prefer option 3, which doesn't require much setup. The horizontal bar is gone, but now it doesn't fill the screen like I wanted. To use option 3, go to the URL section on the RSS site and click Copy. Then, add another Embed HTML element, select website address, and paste the copied URL. With this option, you won't see any scroll bar. Here's a desktop preview of how each option looks. It might take a little while for it to load. The third option was too close to the second one, making it look a little off. One last thing we'll do is check how it looks on the mobile version and make any necessary edits to ensure it looks nice. And with this, we are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the link in the description for the RSS site we used in the video. What topic should we cover next? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.